Dear students, a warm welcome to the physics class. Today we will discuss an important topic, electric potential at a point due to a point charge. Okay, suppose this is our point charge Q at point A and there is another unit positive test charge Q naught at point C, which is x distance apart from point O. Then it will experience, Q naught charge will experience a electric repulsive force due to this plus Q charge, and the value of this electric repulsive force by using Coulomb's formula, F is equal to 1 upon 4 by epsilon naught Q naught upon x square. Now if we want to move this test charge Q naught from point C to point B against this electric repulsive force, then we have to do some work. Then we have to do some work, and the value of this small amount of work done will be dW is equal to F into minus dx. We use the formula work done is equal to force into distance. Now since this work done is against the electric repulsive force, so we use the minus sign, and when we put the value of F from above, we get 1 upon 4 by epsilon naught Q naught upon x square into minus dx. Now if we want to move Q naught charge from infinity to point A, if we want to bring Q naught charge from infinity to point A, that is r distance from point O, then we integrate this small amount of work done. W is equal to integration infinity to r 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught upon x square into minus dx. Take constant term outside from the integration. We get minus Q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught integration infinity to r 1 upon x square dx. Now we can write 1 upon x square as x to the power minus 2 in x to the power minus 2 dx. Now when we integrate x to the power minus 2 dx, then we add 1 in the power, x to the power minus 2 plus 1, and the numbers we write in the power of x. The numbers we write in the power of x, we write these numbers in the denominator as well. X to the power minus 2 plus 1, and the same number which are in the power of x, we write them in the denominator of the Then we get x to the power minus 2 plus 1 and upon minus 2 plus 1, the numbers which are in the power of x, and this will become infinity to r. Infinity is lower limit and r is the upper limit. Now minus 2 plus 1 gives minus 1, minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1, this minus becomes plus. Minus becomes plus. Now we can write x to the power minus 1 as 1 upon x. Now replace this x by r. Replace this x by upper limit r, then use minus sign, then replace this x by lower limit infinity. This is the formulas of integration. This is the solution of integration. First replace x by upper limit r, then use minus sign, then replace this x by lower limit infinity. Now 1 upon infinity means 0, so we get work done 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught upon r. Now the electric potential at point A due to plus Q charge. The electric potential at point A due to plus Q charge, we use the formula V is equal to W upon Q naught. Now the value of W is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught upon r whole upon Q naught, then Q naught cancel out. We get the value of electric potential V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon r. This is the value of electric potential at point A due to unit charge Q. Unit positive charge Q. So the topic is done. Thanks for watching.
Alright.